Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create 3D game using the DeepSeek AI. It will take just 2 minutes to create this amazing game. So here we go. So first of all, we need to open the deepseek.com and click on start now. And here you see that this is the chat interface of DeepSeek. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just write one line here and just say here, create a 3D game, okay, using HTML, JavaScript, and CSS with some physics engine, okay, make sure physics engine in one file. Game should be simple and multi-level. That's it. Now just enter it and just wait some second, and that will create an amazing game for us. Now we can see this creating 3D game using the HTML, JS and CSS with the physics engine, okay, and they are using the two libraries like 3.js and canon.js, and this will take some time to generate the whole code. Now you can see this is the overall code, okay. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just copy that code like here and open the VS Code or any code editor, and we just need to paste that code here and just save that file as like new game.html, okay. Make sure the file should be .html, and then save that file anywhere on your computer, and now open that file. So go to the desktop and you can see the new game.html. Open this file. Now we can see this is the amazing game. Now you just need to play that game. You can see this is the yellow box. You need to touch that box from that ball. As you can see, I'm using here the arrow key to move that ball from left, right, top and bottom like this. See, left side. And I'm gonna just use here, wait a second, let's try to touch that yellow box from that ball, okay, and just use here, done, touched, okay. This is the another level. In the left top bottom you can see the score is 10 and level is 2. This is the another level, level 3. You can see the obstacle is generating randomly and the yellow box also. So this is the 3D game we have created using the DeepSeek AI in just few minutes. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.